Hello, this is FASTECH. Today, I will introduce Ezi-Robo IGH, a high-rigidity electric slider that integrates a stepping motor with a ball screw actuator. Let's take a look at the model name for Ezi-Robo IGH products. As shown in the example model name, Ezi-Robo IGH represents an actuator system controlled by a high-resolution encoder. Here, Robo refers to the actuator system, and IGH indicates a high-rigidity actuator that integrates a FASTECH stepping motor with a KURODA ball screw actuator. 23 refers to the installation dimension size, which is 50.5 mm. The available sizes are 30 mm, 50.5 mm, and 60 mm. S indicates the type with a cover. The actuator is available in three types: open type, which is no cover, covered type, and a dustproof type. 150 refers to the guide rail length, which is 150 mm. The stroke is 76 mm, calculated by subtracting the slide table length from the guide rail length. Applicable guide rail lengths vary depending on the body size. For detailed information, please refer to the catalog. In R2, R indicates a standard grade ball screw. Ball screws come in two grades, standard and precision. 2 refers to the lead of the ball screw, which is 2 mm. Available lead options are 1 mm, 2 mm, 5 mm, and 10 mm. 42 BKUB. 42 indicates the size of the stepping motor, with available sizes being 28 mm, 42 mm, and 60 mm. BK indicates whether a brake is attached. Two options are available, with brake, BK, and without brake, which is no symbol. U indicates the direction of the motor installation. Options include U, up, D, down, L, left, and R, right. B refers to the encoder resolution. Available resolutions are D, 16,000 ppr, and B, 20,000 ppr. Drive types. There are 5 types of drives available, all types supporting RS-485 communication. Built-in type for pulse control. EtherCAT, all types supporting EtherCAT communication. Ethernet, all types supporting Ethernet communication. CC-Link IE TSN, all types supporting CC-Link IE TSN communication. Options. Optional features include sensors, positioning pinholes, low dust grease, and surface treatment. Now, let me introduce some key features of the Ezi-Robo IGH series. Ezi-Robo IGH supports a wide range of field networks. Ezi-Robo IGH supports EtherCAT, Ethernet, CC-Link IE TSN, PROFInet, as well as pulse input and RS-485, allowing it to meet various customer needs. Ezi-Robo IGH uses an Ezi-SERVO motor with a high-precision encoder. Ezi-SERVO is a closed-loop system with a high-precision encoder, which means there's zero positioning error. Since it constantly monitors the current position, it eliminates the risk of step-out like open-loop systems. The system receives position data from the encoder every 50 microseconds, and if needed, it automatically corrects the position. Ezi-SERVO also allows you to adjust the positioning command precisely depending on your application, with a resolution setting of up to 20,000 ppr. Another key point is torque. Ezi-SERVO provides high torque even at low speeds. So, as you can see in the motion profile here, it achieves faster positioning times compared to an AC servo motor, which means quicker response overall. Ezi-SERVO utilizes the characteristics of a stepping motor, eliminating the hunting issue commonly found in conventional servo systems. As a result, the motor comes to a complete stop without generating micro vibrations. Ezi-Robo IGH is a compact electric slider. Ezi-Robo IGH features a compact-sized, integrated drive motor. The all-in-one drive system combines a motor, high-resolution encoder, drive, and either a communication interface or motion controller into a single unit. Also, since the motor with built-in drive is used, there's no need to separately purchase, manage, or assemble the motor, drive, and actuator like in traditional systems. As shown in the illustration, FASTECH has combined the all-in-one motor with the actuator to create a compact electric slider, making wiring and assembly much simpler. Ezi-Robo IGH supports a dustproof type. As shown in the photo, a stainless steel sheet is applied at the center, and magnets are used to prevent the sheet from lifting. It also features a compact actuator with high precision and high rigidity. Using the Ezi-Robo IGH 30 model as an example, let me explain the structural features in comparison with competitor products. The circular section in the center is where the ball screw is mounted. Compared to competitor models, it features a low center of gravity design, which enhances running stability. It also offers an advantage in installation space, thanks to its lower installation height compared to competitor products. You can see that there is a 19 mm difference in height. If you decide to use the open type of Ezi-Robo IGH to reduce the design height, the height is reduced by 34 mm compared to competitor products, giving you the advantage of minimizing the overall equipment size during design. The image you see here shows the internal structure of the Ezi-Robo IGH compared to a competitor product. In the Ezi-Robo IGH, the guide rail is integrated into the body itself, whereas the competitor uses a standard LM guide. Due to the height difference caused by the LM guide's installation structure, the Ezi-Robo IGH achieves a lower overall height. Also, the guide rail width of the FASTECH Ezi-Robo IGH is wider, which allows for greater vertical load capacity. And there's more to the structural advantages. In the Ezi-Robo IGH, the ball screw nut and linear guide block are designed as a single unit. On the other hand, the competitor's structure involves assembling an LM guide rail onto the base of an aluminum body, followed by mounting the ball screw nut and additional components. This makes the assembly process more complex, and because each part has its own tolerance, it can negatively affect the actuator's precision. We'll go over the differences in precision in more detail on the next slide. Let's compare the Ezi-Robo IGH 30 model with a competitor's robot that has the same body width of 60 mm. Since Ezi-Robo IGH guarantees a wider range of specifications, we'll first compare the values that are provided by the competitor. First, repeatability. The competitor guarantees plus or minus 0.02 mm, while Ezi-Robo IGH guarantees plus or minus 0.005 mm, showing 4 times better performance. Next, let's look at load capacity. For horizontal loads, both the competitor and FASTECH models support up to 15 kg. However, when it comes to vertical loads, the competitor supports 5 kg, while the Ezi-Robo IGH 30 handles 12 kg. That's 2.4 times more. From here on, the values we're discussing are not guaranteed by the competitor. Positioning accuracy refers to the potential mechanical error between the commanded position and the actual position when moving to a specified point within the stroke range. For FASTECH products, this guaranteed value varies by actuator length. While the competitor only provides this specification when using an external encoder on a linear motor stage, FASTECH guarantees it starting from its general grade products. Backlash is the mechanical play in the ball screw that can cause movement even when the motor isn't turning, usually when external force is applied after stopping. This value is also not guaranteed by the competitor. Running parallelism shows how parallel the actuator's movement is along horizontal and vertical directions during linear travel. Again, the competitor does not provide this spec. So, through this spec comparison chart, it's clear that the Ezi-Robo IGH from FASTECH is a high-precision, high-load actuator that outperforms competitor models. Ezi-Robo IGH offers 3 product types depending on usage conditions and environment. The open type for conditions requiring low installation height, the cover type for general environments, and the dustproof type for cleanroom use. Motion test and position table functionality are available through the supported software. Ezi-Robo IGH provides a dedicated GUI for each supported field network. Here, we'll use the Ethernet model as an example to explain the motion test and position table functions available through the dedicated GUI. Using FASTECH's dedicated GUI, Ezi Motion plus E, you can perform motion tests. These tests include jog movement, single movement, and homing, allowing you to run simple motion checks. You can also monitor the position status and axis status in real time as the motor moves. Next is the position table function. The position table allows users to pre-configure motion profiles and store them under designated numbers. The desired motion can be selected via network communication or I/O signals, and the stored profile can be executed accordingly. The position table supports various motion types, including absolute positioning, incremental positioning, and push motion commands. It also offers a sequence execution function that enables the commands to run in order. The Ezi-SERVO plus E-Drive can store up to 256 motion commands. We will now show you a video demonstrating the demo using the motion test and position table functions. Next are the application examples of Ezi-Robo IGH. Ezi-Robo IGH is mainly used in XY or XYZ axis combinations. With its high-precision positioning and easy control, it can be applied to a wide range of systems such as assembly, alignment, transfer, and sealing. Let me show you a few examples in the illustrations. It's used in various fields including pallet-to-pallet workpiece placement systems, component transfer and placement systems, component assembly systems, sealing applications, and conveyor-based logistics transfer systems. Lastly, we'll show you a demo using the Ezi-Robo IGH product. In conclusion, our introduction to the Ezi-Robo IGH, a high-rigidity electric slider that integrates a stepping motor and ball screw actuator. You can find and download product-related materials such as catalogs, manuals, and drawings, as well as demo videos and webinar recordings on the FASTECH website. Thanks for watching.